Looking for a quick and easy way to create custom chip bag party favors? You're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. Hey party friends, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom chip bag party favors using Canva. The quickest and easiest way to do this is to start by using a pre-designed template. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to Hanging with the Kiddos website where you can find everything that you need. Later in the video, we'll show you how to create the template from scratch if you prefer designing it yourself. So once you're on our website, click on the Templates tab and feel free to browse through all of the pre-designed, ready-to-edit Canva templates that we have available. We have two different options for our chip bag. The basic chip bag template, which is super easy to use, and we have a chip bag which comes with a realistic mock-up, and it also includes an edible nutrition facts and barcode label. You can also purchase the nutrition facts and barcode labels separately.
And to help speed up the process even more, we offer digital paper crimps that give the finished look of a crimped chip bag without the need to manually crimp the edges.
You can also find the paper that you need to print your chip bags by clicking the Paper tab. Today I'm going to be using the basic chip bag template. Let me show you what it looks like once you download it. Before opening the template, head on over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create a free account. You can also try a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro with our referral link. The template will come as a PDF, which includes a link that's going to take you directly to Canva. You don't need to upload this PDF into Canva, just click on the link that's provided. After clicking the link and the page uploads, click on Use Template for new design.
The first page contains a ready-to-use chip bag layout, which is divided into 3 sections. The middle section forms the front of the bag. The left and right sides will wrap around to form the back, and the top and bottom borders. We've also included a birthday nutrition facts and a barcode label. While the text isn't editable, you can change the colors to match your theme.
Here I'm just showing you that you can change the color of each section background. Now let's add a background image.
You can either search Canva's library for background images or upload your own images. If you're using an image as your background, you'll need to resize it to fill the shape. The second page features the chip bag frame template. This template allows you to drag and drop your background images directly into the frames or choose a solid color. Before we add additional images on top of the background image, it's important to lock the frame. This will prevent any new elements from accidentally replacing your background image. Not all clip art images do this, but locking the frame ensures everything stays in place. Now let's add some text. You can change the font style, color, and even add an outline to your text. Using the Nutrition Facts template, you can also personalize the label to match your party theme. Next, we'll be uploading the personalized Nutrition Facts label and digital paper crimps to add to the borders before printing.
Next, I'm going to quickly create a full design using the chip bag template frame. That way you can see how everything comes together. Then we're going to save it, print, and assemble.
Once your design is ready, click Download and choose PDF print for the best quality. You can also download it as a PNG or JPG image.
Next, let's print. We're going to be printing on Hanging with the Kiddos DIY Party Glossy Paper Sheets.
We will also use zigzag scissors, double-sided tape, and hot glue. If you didn't add the crimps digitally, you can use a paper crimper to add them. We will be using the Epson EcoTank 8550 and our HP Envy printer. It's very important to adjust your printer settings when printing on glossy paper. Make sure to set it for the type of paper you are using to prevent smearing.
I'm going to select the printer that I'm going to be using, and I want to make sure I'm printing the actual size. I'm going to click on Printer to go into my printer settings. For the paper type, we can select Photo Glossy Paper or Photo High Glossy Paper. This works for both the Envy and the Epson printer. And the print quality, we're going to set it to best.
If you want to print borderless, scroll down to Paper Handling, then choose Scale to fit paper size. After that, select the destination. Next, choose US letter as the paper size. Finally, you should see the option for borderless printing.
Under the advanced printing settings, here are the settings that we use for color management. We choose the Acrobat color management. For the color profile, we choose Adobe RGB and we select Preserve Black. These settings help your printer print the most accurate colors. Here's how it looks when you print it with the borders, and here's how it looks when you print it borderless. Next, we're going to show you a few different ways to assemble.
Start by folding the sides with the printable label face down. Fold the left and right sides inward until they slightly overlap in the center. This will create the back of the bag. Then apply a thin line of hot glue along the inner edge of one of the overlapping flaps. I usually apply the glue to the side with the nutritional facts label. Carefully press the other flap onto the glued edge and hold it firmly for a few seconds to secure the seam. Next, seal the bottom by applying glue along the bottom edge. After that, fill the bag with your goodies. Finally, seal the top.
Next, following the same steps, we're going to assemble using double-sided tape.
Just like before, start by folding the sides with the printable label face down. Fold the left and right sides inward. Next, place a strip of double-sided tape along the inner edge of one of the overlapping flaps and along the top and bottom edges. Then, remove the backing on the tape from the inner edge and press the other flap onto the tape, making sure the edges are aligned, and press firmly to secure the seam. After that, remove the backing on the tape from the bottom to seal the bottom close. Fill the bag with your goodies and seal the top close. If you're preparing the bags for a customer who will fill them later, you can leave the backing on the top tape. This way, the customer can easily peel off the backing and seal the bag themselves after adding their treats. Next, we're going to use this clear plastic bag to make a resealable bag. Start by applying tape along the top of the bag on both sides. Just like before, with the printable label face down, fold the left and right sides inward. Next, place a strip of double-sided tape along the inner edge of one of the overlapping flaps and the bottom edge. Next, remove the backing from one side of the plastic bag and place it in the center of the printable. Then, remove the backing on the tape from the bottom and inner edge. Press the right, left, and bottom sides onto the tape, making sure the edges are aligned, and press firmly to secure the seam. Fill the bag with your goodies and seal the top closed.
All right, before we wrap things up, as promised, here's how to create your chip bag layout from scratch. you want to start by opening Canva and creating a new design with the page size 11 by 8.5 inches. Next, you want to go to Elements and add a rectangle from the shapes and resize it using the measurements you see on the screen. The page background will become your top and bottom borders. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Now I have a challenge for you. Create your own custom chip bags and share it with us on social media using the hashtag Hanging with the Kiddos. I can't wait to see your amazing designs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and you can check the description box for more templates and all the materials that we use to assemble. Keep celebrating every moment and see you next time. Bye.